Hey everybody, it's Gina B. Get your weights. We're going to do a full body toning workout, working our upper body, lower body, and core. So get your weights, 2 to 4 kilos or 4 to 8 pounds or whatever you're comfortable with. Body weight is great as well. So if you like this workout, subscribe to our channel so you can sweat with me every day. Let's get started. Alright guys, we're going to start off with some squats. 1 of 4 moves to do in this awesome, fun leg track. So remember, sitting back into a chair, knees are before our toes. We've got 2 more here, squeeze it down. Alright, now move 2, we're going to go knee up, now pulse it for 2. Knee up, so we're going to engage our core here as well. That's it. So let the music drive you in this one. We're really doing it to the music here. Up and up. Now hold it there. Now we're going to do some squats to the side. Squat to the side. That's it. Come on, guys. Keep going. Drive it back. This is all about legs and glutes. All right, now hold it here. We're going to go take it to the side with our leg. Kick through our heel. Use your weights as your stabilizer. That's it. Now to the other leg. Now this standing leg, keep it flexed. A little bit bent at the leg. That's it. All right, big squat. Now I like to keep my weights here on my shoulders, okay? But keep your chest lifted. Remember, you can drop your weights at any time. You don't have to use weights, you can just use body weight for this. Are you ready? Back to those knee ups. Come on, to the beat. Drive it up. Try not to drop the foot to the floor in that pulse. Hold your balance. 1. There's no jumping here. It's all controlled. That's it. Ready? Squat to the side. 1, 2. Now with this squat, if you can, push out. So you engage your upper body, and you really do, even though this is a legs track, you can work your upper body here too. That's it. To the side now. Up we go. 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 Come on. Stay strong. Woo! To help with balance, focus on one point on the floor if you need to. That's it. All right, are you ready for some more squats? Squat to the beat. It's nice and slow here. Squeeze at the top. Take it back down. Remember, make sure your knees are always behind those toes. All right, let's do something different here. Pulse it down. And squeeze it up. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze. That's it, guys. Come on, give me 1 more of these. And then we're going to go straight back into those knee ups to the music. Let's go. Knee up. Knee up. Parrot. Come on. Whew. Are you feeling it, guys? Come on, you should be by now. Sweating it out with me. Go. All right, for our last squat to the side. Come on, drive it through. Woo. Squeeze it up. Remember, you don't have to go all the way low. You can just do a half squat like here, if that's easier for you. But if you can, ready? Last one. Woo. Well done, guys. All right, we're gonna go straight into an upper body workout here. So, 1 of 4 moves, starting with some bicep curls. Get your sides, hands by your side, elbows in. All I want to see is moving from your forearm, your hand to your elbow. Ready? Here we go. To the beat. That's it. 1 and 2. Control that movement. Keep your chest lifted, abdominals in, shoulders down. That's it. Drive it with me. Come on. I just like to bop up a little bit up and down because I love this music. Music drives all my workouts. Are you ready? Take it out. 90-degree angle. We're going to go chest. Press. Now shoulder. Press. Chest. That's it. And in and out. Come on, guys. All right. Now take it down. We're going to work the opposite muscle group to the biceps. That's the triceps. Okay, so really take your elbows into your sides again. But what I want you to focus on is that back end bit. What we're working on is this part of our arm. That's it. Hinge over at the hips. Don't hunch over. Only your forearm moving, guys. Keep it nice and strong. Woo! All right, ready? Back up to that chest press. Go. Back to that chorus. Sing along with me if you know the words. You just want attention. That's it. Yes, our arms are going to get attention. All right. Now our next move, shoulder raises. Front in, raising in front. All right, now if you want to challenge yourself, you can do double here. At all times, you shouldn't be swinging, okay? So we're not doing any of this. If you are, drop your weight down or no weight at all, okay? Take it up and up. Keep going with those shoulder raises. Come on. Whew. That's it. Come on, guys. And take it up. Ready? Big breath in and up and in and up. All right, now take it down and take it down and back into the chorus. In and out. Come on, guys. Press it in. Up we go. Stay strong. I know your arms feel like they're going to fall off right now, but I want you to stay with me. All right, front raises. Up. Flex into your legs. Really engage that core. Tuck those hips under. Up we go. We're going to do a double version of this section. Ready? Here we go. Double. Now you can stay with single if you want to. Totally up to you. But if you want to sweat it out more, challenge yourselves. Come on, stay with me. Woo, you're nearly there, guys. 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go. Last one. Last exercise. Back to those biceps. Let's go. Come on, stay strong. Ready? Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, 8, and you're done. Well done, everybody. Okay, let's put down one weight. Let's take it to our final core exercise. So this is an awesome song called Side to Side. So we're going to be working a lot of those obliques here. We're going to start off with a knee repeater. Here we go. Take your knee into your chest, but stay low into this leg here. That's it. Bring that weight in. Now you can add an extra weight, so you can do it with double weights, but I just want to do it with one today to show you our variation. Stay here. Come on. Drive it. And drive it. That's it. Now take it to this hand. Keep it nice and straight. Now crunch those sides. Come on, to the beat, guys. Side to side. Now swap. Go. Go. Reach it over. That's it. Come on. And again, other set. You want to try and aim for your knee. So you're really engaging those sides, the obliques. Here we go again. Out. Come on. Woo! All right. Hold it in both hands. Now all I want you to do is move waist up. Yes? Okay. Everything down below stays completely still. Tuck your hips under. That's it. All right. Now we're going to crunch our sides. Crunch. With this weight in our hand. Crunch. Crunch. Knee to elbow. Other side. Go. 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 Come on, guys. Let's go. One more set of each. Other side. Come on. To the beat. Stay strong. This is the last track in this workout. And swap it to the other side. Go. Woo. That's it, guys. You are smashing it. Now let's go to the other side for knee repeater again. Knee repeater. Remember, stay low in that standing leg. So that's this leg. All that's moving. Abs, bringing that knee in. Come on, guys. Stay strong. Keep that energy high. Keep it going. Bring it in. Bring it in. Bring it in. Woo! Are you ready? Let's go. Side. To the beat. Let's sing it. Ready? Got me working side to side. Other side. Come on. I've got you working your sides. That's for sure. Other side again. Go. 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 Whew. I want you to be so sweaty, and I want you to feel this workout. It's quick, but it's intense, but all low impact. All right, twist, twist, twist. That's it. Remember, we're not moving anything below our waist. Just the waist. Go, 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 go. Make sure you breathe. Remember, you can drop your weights and just have your fists together. That also works. Whatever you want. This is your workout. All right, knee repeater again. 1, to the beat, to the beat. Now change, to the beat, to the beat, to the beat. Ready? Back to that chorus. Come on, guys. Let that music drive you. You don't have long to go. Other side, let's go. Work those sides. Come on. Woo! All right. Ready? Crunches up. Crunch, crunch, crunch. That's it. Come on. Give me the other side. One more set. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now twist to the end. Go, go. Stay low. I can feel this, guys. Drive it home. Come on. Stay with me. Go, 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 go. That's it. Woo! You made it. Well done, everybody. Smashed that out of the park. Guys, if you sweat as much as me, don't forget to like that video and subscribe to our channel so you can sweat with me every day. You can also check out our full range of DVDs available on Amazon. I'll see you guys for another workout another day.